Ever feel like your brain has 15 tabs open and none of them are responding? You're not alone. Between stress, distractions, and mental overload, clarity feels like a luxury. But guess what? A few drops of nature's most powerful plant extracts can clear the fog and bring back your focus. Yes, we're talking about essential oils, but not just any oils. In this video, I'll show you the most powerful science-backed essential oils for sharpening your mind, boosting concentration, and reclaiming your calm. What is mental clarity and why do we lose it? Mental clarity is that sweet spot where thoughts flow easily. Focus comes naturally, and decision-making feels effortless. But with stress, poor sleep, constant notifications, and even poor diet, our brain can feel like it's drowning in static. That's where essential oils step in, because when you inhale them, the aromatic compounds go straight to your brain's limbic system. That's the control center for memory, mood, and mental performance. Let's get into the top 5 oils that can help clear the clutter in your head. 1. Peppermint oil. Peppermint is a brain booster. It stimulates mental alertness, clears fatigue, and improves memory. How to use it? Diffuse it during work sessions. Inhale directly for a quick pick-me-up. Mix with carrier oil and apply to your temples or back of the neck. It's like a minty wake-up call for your brain. 2. Rosemary oil. Not just for cooking. Rosemary boosts memory, focus, and speed of thought. Research shows students exposed to rosemary perform better on memory tasks. How to use it? Diffuse during studying or reading. Add to a bath before mental work. Mix with lemon for an uplifting blend. It's powerful, earthy, and sharp, just like the brain it supports. 3. Lemon oil. Fresh, clean, and energizing. Lemon oil lifts your mood and clears your mind. It's known to reduce cortisol levels and bring a sense of mental freshness. How to use it? Add to a diffuser in the morning. Create a DIY spray for your workspace. Blend with peppermint for a focus-enhancing duo, perfect for foggy mornings or midday slumps. 4. Frankincense. Frankincense is calming, grounding, and mentally cleansing. It supports deep focus and helps with emotional balance, perfect for when your thoughts feel scattered. How to use it? Diffuse during meditation or journaling. Apply diluted oil to wrists or chest. Use when you need to slow down and concentrate deeply. It quiets the noise and invites stillness. 5. Basil oil. Sweet or holy basil. This underrated hero helps reduce mental fatigue and brings clarity during stress. It's an adaptogen, which means it helps your body and brain bounce back from overload. How to use it? Apply to neck or temples with a carrier oil. Blend with rosemary for a brain reboot. Inhale during mental exhaustion. It's the oil your brain didn't know it needed. How to use these oils for best results. Inhalation. Use a diffuser or breathe directly from the bottle. Topical application. Always dilute with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba blending. Combine oils for synergy. Try peppermint plus lemon in the morning, rosemary plus frankincense in the evening. And remember, quality matters. Always choose pure organic oils. Avoid synthetic ones labeled as fragrance oil. Common mistakes to avoid using too much can cause headaches. Not diluting leads to skin irritation. Using fake or low-quality oils, no therapeutic effect. expecting instant results. Consistency is key. Start small, observe how you feel, and let the oils support your mental space over time. So there you have it, nature's clarity tools in 5 small bottles. Whether you're trying to focus on work, study better, or just want to feel more present and energized, these oils are your natural allies. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what worked for you. And if you're looking to calm anxiety, don't miss our video on 8 herbs for anxiety relief. It pairs perfectly with what you just learned. Like, subscribe to Root and Remedy, and explore the next level of natural wellness with us.